Welcome to Mechanic. Today we got a 2011 Honda Fit, and on this 2011 Honda Fit we're going to go ahead and change the air filter. The air filter is below this, under this. Make it easy for you. You can undo this mass airflow sensor. You just got to push the clip down, pull it away. There's two clips on the top side here, one on this here and one over here, and just flip it over, and then two clips down here. Just pull them back like that. Go ahead and pop off the cover here, and then just go ahead and remove the air filter. There, it's pretty dirty. Clean that up. If you had a lot of debris in here, you would go ahead and vacuum it out. There was literally one leaf in there, so nothing real major. Get your new air filter. And set it back in there. See, we've got this little tab there. That's so you can grab it and pull it out, but that's also going to orientation of which way you put it in. Just set that in there. Then you just go ahead and put the cap back on. Make sure you put this into here, the grommet for the air cleaning. Put it all back in. Hit the snaps. These snaps. This back one, you kind of just put it there and then rock it. Put it the right way, it works better. And that's how it locks into place. And that's how you change your air filter on your 2011 Honda Fit. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.